Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Today I've got another manicure video for you. Without much ado, let's just get started. So to start, I'll come in with some cuticle oils. I'll put it around my cuticle area. This will help soften up the cuticles. Now I'll come in with my electric file. I'll file the cuticle area. I'll file the edges and the surface as well. Afterwards, I'll clean the surface with a dehydrator. Next, I'll come in with a primer. Now I'll be sticking my fake nails onto my nails. I'll come in with a little bit of nail glue, then stick it onto my natural nail. I'll push it down into the cuticle area to give it that very natural look. In this video, I'll be using the short square nails. I'll come in with a file and file off that pointy plastic tip. Next, I'll come in with base coat. Now I'll come in with one of my favorite colors, and that is the lilac. I'll give it a first coat. Then, since I want it more vivid, I'll come in with a second coat. Afterwards, I'll top it off with a glossy top coat. I'll come in with some cuticle oil to help relax my cuticles. And we're all done now. Let me know what you think. Do you like the color? Don't you like it? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.